I don't want nothing. I don't want nothing. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another one of my videos. If you guys are new here, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. I am on the road to 2K subscribers, guys. So definitely hit that subscribe button down below if you guys enjoy this video. But you guys can see by the title what's about to go down. I am starving right now. Like, my stomach is literally grumbling. I had a really long day, met with a lot of clients today, so I feel like I deserve a seafood boil. Like, I've been craving one for the longest, and I was supposed to get one with my friend, but we had to reschedule. She ended up going on a trip, so I'm like, listen, I need one right now, and then we're gonna go again when she comes back, okay? So today I'm making a shrimp boil. No crab, just shrimp. So I have these jumbo shrimps. So I have these jumbo shrimps with the head on. I have it soaking right here, just to clean it out with some lemon juice. And then I also have some corn. It's frozen because I had it in the fridge. I pre-prepped it, and my potatoes are also pre-prepped. That's why they're frozen, but it's okay because they're gonna be boiled anyway. But these are the mini potatoes, and this is just like a portion size just for me, specifically for me. So this is gonna be perfectly fine. I'm trying to think if I need more corn because I really do love corn a lot. So I might add another thing of corn, but the potatoes are good for me. And I also have 2 eggs. And then the ingredients you're going to need for this is Old Bay seasoning, Cajun seasoning, black pepper, cayenne pepper, lemon pepper, and paprika. Alright, so those are my seasonings. Yeah guys, so you guys are gonna see me make my little seafood boil. Those are the ingredients that you need if you guys were wondering. And you're also gonna need butter too, obviously, garlic and onions, which I didn't take out yet, but I'm about to. But you guys are gonna see all the ingredients, and I'm also gonna have it listed down below so that you guys can follow along. But let's get started, y'all, because I am starving, okay? And I'm trying to think if I should do a little mukbang too and eat it in front of you guys, or like, should I? We'll see. All right guys, so I basically wanted to show you guys what I did with my shrimp. So I do like the head on the shrimp, but I did clean out the little poop vein in the back just so I could take out the poop, but I am leaving the head on. So I just want to show you guys how I did one of them. So all right, so this is the shrimp. I literally just cut right here and check and see if there's any poop, which this one doesn't have any. But then I also like take out all that orange stuff as well and just rinse it out just a little bit, just to make sure that there's no like extra shit. And these are all my shrimp, nice and clean. We're gonna take a little break and give Shadow some of his food because he's literally right here waiting. He's right beside me waiting to eat. Okay, Shadow, you're about to eat in a second, okay? So let's get Shadow's food ready and then we'll continue with ours, okay? All right, so we got Shadow's food. All right, now that Shadow's good, we're gonna get back to our boil. We have our water boiling, so we are going to add our corn. We are going to add our potatoes. We're going to add a little bit of those onions. And then we're also gonna add to this some Old Bay seasoning and some Cajun seasoning. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of parsley too, just to give it like some specks of parsley on the corn. So we're gonna add some parsley. And then we're just gonna stir this and let it boil. Alright guys, so this has been boiling probably for like about 5 minutes. So now I want to add my egg. So I'm adding two eggs. I love a good egg, y'all. And we're gonna let that boil for about 12 minutes with the eggs in it, and then after that, everything should really be nice and cooked well. It doesn't really take that long for this to cook, so we're gonna set our timer for 12 minutes and come back to this. Alright guys, so while we wait for the corn and the potatoes and the eggs to boil, we are going to actually work on our butter sauce. So I'm going to put this much butter in the pan, just a little bit for now. And this is what we're going to fry up the garlic and onions in and all the spices. So you don't want to put all your butter in just yet. We're going to add our onions and garlic to this. And we're just going to stir that around. Alright, so now we're going to add our seasonings to the garlic and onions right now. So I'm going to start with my Cajun spice. I just measure with my eyes. I'm going to put that much Cajun seasoning. I'm going to go in with my obey. Measuring with my eyes. I'm going to go in with my, I'm going to load this down a little bit actually because I don't want it to burn. I'm going to go in with my black pepper. About that much. I'm going to go in with paprika. Cayenne pepper for some spice because I love my seafood boiled spicy. So we're gonna put a good amount of this because listen, I need it to be spicy. Stir this around a little bit just so it doesn't burn, but I am adding more spices. That good old lemon pepper, y'all. If y'all haven't had lemon pepper in a seafood boil, then what are you doing? Like, you need to try it today. And I think that's all the seasonings, guys. So you want to just fry this up. Like, I don't know if you ever made curry before, but it's similar to like frying up curry with onions and garlic. So you want to fry it up, fry it up, fry it up good. And then we're going to add some more butter, okay? So just let this cook and fry it up for like 3 minutes, I guess. So we're going to fry that up. My thing is on like medium high right now, so don't have it too high because you don't want it to burn. So after this, you want to add in 2 sticks of butter, unsalted butter. And if you were making this for like more people, I would say like put another stick or like a stick and a half. Yeah, another stick or a stick and a half, I would say, if you have like more people. But this is just for me, so we're doing 2 sticks, which is probably even a lot for me, to be honest. I could have probably just did 1 stick, but I wanted a lot of sauce, so yeah. It's smelling like a seafood boil now in here. It smells so good. Alright guys, so now that everything is melt up and ting, we're gonna add the shrimp right into the butter mixture, which this is probably a lot of shrimp for me. I'm just being a big bag right now. Like, I'm really being greedy right now, to be honest. But yeah, obviously you don't want the shrimp to get too cooked up in here because you don't want the shrimp to be rubbery. Shrimp cooks really fast, so literally it should be cooked in like 3 minutes, to be honest. Alright guys, so at this point our potatoes should definitely be done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it straight and put it right into my bowl. Oh yes, get some of them onions. It's okay to get some of them onions in it. It's okay. These do not take long to cook at all, y'all. That's why I love seafood boils, because once you got all the ingredients put together, like, it does not take long at all. Alright, so I think that's all. I'm gonna deshell the eggs and also put it in. And then the shrimp is done. So once I deshell the eggs, I'm gonna put the shrimp in as well with all the sauce, and then the seafood boil is complete, y'all. Alright, guys. Just look at this, y'all. Y'all cannot tell me y'all don't want to try this. Woo. All that sauce. And this is all for me, y'all. All for me. Am I going to finish it? Yes, I am. And last but not least, guys, I'm going to squeeze this lime on top. If I had lemon, I would definitely do that, but yeah, lime works perfectly fine as well. And yeah, that is the seafood boil, guys. Guys, taste test. Oh my gosh. There's something about that head on. There's something about the head on, the shrimp with the head on, that keeps all the flavor inside of the head. Like, it's so freaking good. Y'all need to make this right now. Okay? Go to the store, go to your kitchen, get all the ingredients and make this tonight. Cause this junk is a 10 out of 10. Like, I would not be lying to y'all. This is a 10 out of 10. I'm actually about to go to the living room, get some gloves so I can enjoy this all by myself. So if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely subscribe and hit that like button. And let me know if you guys tried this and how it tasted to you as well, because I want to know how it tastes to you as well. So yeah, guys, I need to go because I need to devour this. So I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.